I'm 18 minutes before midday. So now I don't know whether to ask him to just drop a joke or should we get into the talk. What do you think we should do? What do we... Joke first.
Joke.
So producer said joke first. Hit it. Go for
Y'all
it.
just gonna put me on the spot like that?
Yep.
No,
Yep.
ma'am.
Yep.
No, ma'am. I don't
Yep.
have a joke
Yep.
today.
You don't have a
You
joke?
gotta come and
What
listen
are you
to...
talking about?
Because I'm saying... Okay, here's a true story. We are late because we were trying to get some fuel.
Yep.
Then we were at a fuel line. And the guy came and says, Mdala, fuel Zara.
Okay.
And we got there and we were the second car from last. Same guy came back, Mdala, manolo ka fuel ya pera.
All right, so stand-up comedy for one night only. One night only.
Yes.
That's Alfred Kainga. All right, so who is Alfred Kainga? I don't want to get into it and look at my script and everything. Who are you?
I'm just a cool dude, man, from the city of Harare, Sunshine City. I was born in Bare. And I grew up here. This is my home, you know.
Lovely.
And I left when I was, 18, 19 years old to go to the States. And I started my career there. But, I'm just a regular dude, man. I just like to make people laugh and have fun and crack jokes.
Now, when I heard that you were in town, I took it upon myself to go on Google. I was like, Google.
Yes,
Talk
ma'am.
to me. Who is this guy? So then there's this something that you're working on with Kevin Hart.
Yeah.
Okay, are you gonna tell us something?
Oh no, so we did the first season.
Yeah.
Was 2 years ago. It's called Heart of the City.
Uh-huh.
And I was able to do
How did you get that gig with Kevin Hart?
It's crazy.
Is
ain't
it that short? Can we just talk about that?
Yes, yes, he is. You know what? I hope Kevin, you ain't listening right now. But when I say hi to Kevin, I gotta get on my knees. You know what I mean?
Is that short?
Yes, he's coming up short all the time. We gotta have a booster.
He's coming up.
appointment.
Did you just say he's coming up short
He's
all the
coming
time?
up short. Kevin Hart.
I'm gonna take it. It's daytime radio. I'll keep my mind sanitized here.
Yeah.
All right. So anyway, carry on.
So anyway, they watched. So Heart of the City was basically a show they created to showcase comedians who've never been on television, who are unknown but are very funny. So they did a Houston episode, and I live in Dallas. I don't even live in Houston. But they watched my tape. Somebody gave it to them and said, "Look, check this dude out." They was like, "Yeah, he's funny, but he's from Dallas, and we're doing Houston." Mm-hmm. And so when Kevin saw the tape, he was like, "Y'all are crazy. This dude is hilarious. We're gonna make an exception. He has to be on the show."
Oh wow!
So I did the Houston episode. So normally the episode has 3 comedians, and this one had 4. And I was that 4th guy, so it was crazy. So fast forward to this year, Kevin says, "Hey, let's do it again. You were good, and we're gonna give you a 3rd season. And this time we're coming to Dallas, and you're gonna be the host of the Dallas episode."
Ooh,
which was
wow.
huge. So yeah, hats.
So did you ever dream of being on such a platform?
Gosh, man, when you start doing something like this, you know that's what you want to do, but you have no idea where it's going to take you. So it's just taken off, in ways that I never thought would be possible. And I'm just truly, truly grateful, And, the last 3 months, I've seen myself in 10 countries, doing stand-up comedy, and it's just getting bigger and better.
So what would you say? We were in the market looking for female stand-up comedians in Zimbabwe, and the list is very thin.
They just gotta get out there.
Non-existent.
Ladies, if you are listening and you are funny, don't listen to
But how do you know that you're funny? Because then sometimes you know how you can crack a joke because you've got money. Everyone's going to laugh at your whack joke.
Well, then that's just the boss who's trying to, you're trying to win a favor from the boss. But you're funny when you're at school and you're at home and you say something and people laugh all the time.
Yeah.
That's your cue right there. Just take it upon yourself. Get on stage.
So it's got nothing to do with us being Zimbabwean or us being, as a people and
Quite
the
say,
ladies. What we had for breakfast. I'll show you my tonsils.
Sense of humor tinayo.
Yeah. So why where are the ladies? Why are they not stepping up? I mean,
Maybe-
have you ever interrogated that?
Well, I think this is a good question to ask.
Yeah.
And if any ladies are out there listening who have thought about doing this, I'm just here to encourage you. Like, what do you have to lose? Just give it a shot. Zvangufana nekuti wadecide kuti uda kuruka majuzi kana kuti uda kuenda nursing school. Just give it a shot. You don't know if you're going to succeed, but if you never know if you don't try.
So can you imagine being a Zimbabwean and without a murora zvobvazvanzi zvino mukadzi wakanoti unseksa vanhu.
Anosekesa vanhu.
Nice.
Kune mari yakawanda stereke.
Okay, so quick one. Scrambled eggs or sunny side up?
Sunny side up over medium.
You like it runny?
Yes.
You like it runny?
Over medium.
Okay, so light or dark?
I'm both.
You're both?
Yes. I do not discriminate.
Okay, so tell me, weave or natural hair?
Natural.
Why? Now I want to know. I want to know.
I'm an African man. I don't want to pull your weave off and have it in my hand. You know what I mean?
And neither do you want to play in the Matrix when you go for a shower. Like,
Exactly. I want to grab the real hair.
All right, okay, we can go on and on and on and on without wasting time. What's happening this weekend?
This weekend, I am at 7 Arts Theatre in Avondale, Harare. And it's this Friday, December 21st. It's fast approaching, and we got a one-night only show there. And we've put a lineup together of funny comedians from here. Comic Pastor is on it. Tinaya is on it, and also Doc Vikela. They're going to be, my supporting acts. So we're promising a night of fun, man. Just go get your tickets, get out of the house, do something different. Queue up to get your fuel right now. And if you don't get it, park your car, jump in a combi, walk, cycle, do whatever, but get to 7 Arts this Friday.
Tell me something. Does Tsaga ring a bell? Tsaga.
No.
It doesn't ring a bell?
No.
Okay, so I know Kainga from my days at PE. I'll never forget him for chanting the word Tsaga at Leroy Gopal at Assembly.
Oh!
There you go.
Okay.
Gotcha.
Okay, so Leroy Gopal is our main actor, export in South Africa.
Yeah.
Leroy was my prefect, at PE, but I'm not in Saga. So he gives a speech and he's saying some really great stuff, and I'm like, Leroy, if you're listening, South Africa.
I'm so done with you. Oh my goodness. So more of this, all right. You have got to make a date. If you are all about laughing, yes. I'm all about laughing. I'm all about loving. So no doubt I will be there at the stand-up comedy one night only with Alfred Kainga, and of course guest acts. Doc Vikela, host, is the comic pastor, and a guest act also from Tinaya. This is happening at the 7 Arts Theatre in Avondale, right here in Harare. So if you are in Bulawayo, if you are in Mutare, if you are in Gweru, make a plan in one of the days.
Let's tell them where they get their tickets real quick.
Sure.
So they can go online at clickandpay.africa. That's CLICK, the letter N, PAY.Africa. They can also go to Chicken Huts. We have 2 Chicken Huts in the city. One is at Joyner City, and the other one is at Avondale Shopping Center. And they can also go to Remo's Hair Supply on 13 George Seluniga Avenue, and the other one is at Sam Levy Village. So those are the outlets to get the tickets, people. Akachipa 30 bondi chete ma tickets. Kuyabuzoseka. Asikana chinogara VIP nevakuru vakuru 50 bonds.
Okay, all right, okay.
So ngava and imagine tine surprise manje.
Talk to me.
Tine official after party. Yeah. Iri kusankai. Sankai Saka. You have a meet and greet, because it's going to be a lot of people at the 7 Arts. But if you want to meet and greet after the show, and the Sankai will meet there, and they said that's where the official after party is going to be there. It's going to be fire. You know who owns Sankai? Hey, man, Jonas. Jinimbi in the house.
Hey! Jinimbi!
Shout out to Chinimi. We're going to be there. I'm going to turn on the Rolls Royce. Nobody will first time.
Oh. No. It's not Wakanda. It's Mbare.
It's Mbare.
It's Mbare.
In Harare.
Yes. Sunshine City. All right, so it's happening, guys. We have got to. Let's all come out, man. Let's have a good laugh.
Yeah.
We were talking about encouragement and things going haywire in the country, and we just need that break. And this is the break. What a timely break this is coming. So I know I would really love to hear you on the TXO.
Okay.
That's with the Moxinator, and he comes after this show. He comes in at midday and exactly 8 minutes.
All right.
And I know he's got a crazy sense of humor.
Yeah.
And I would like to hear how you and him are going to gel, because he's a funny guy as well.
He is.
Yeah, and he also is big on hip hop. And you were trying to do something. You're trying to do something. I'm going to put you on the spot. Now, I don't do this. I don't even know how to drop bars and whatever that means.
Okay.
Whatever.
I don't know how to drop bars.
What's a cipher?
What's a cipher? I thought it was
to
an
me.
electrical unit. Plug a cipher, you TND. Kurumiza na plug a cipher.
Oh my goodness, this guy is hilarious. He's Alfred Kainga. All right, we gotta go. But before we go, you know what? Let's just hear from this ninja wedding.